Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my real journey of learning English. This is not a success story, this is a learning story. If you are weak in English, this video is for you. My fear of English. When I was a student, English was my biggest fear. I could read English a little, but I could not speak English at all. Whenever someone spoke English in front of me, I felt nervous. My hand started shaking, my mind became blank. I always thought English is not for me. Maybe I am not intelligent. People will laugh at me. Because of this fear, I started silent of many years. That turning point, one day I realized something very important. I saw many people who were not perfect, but they are speaking English confidently. Then I asked myself, if they can learn English, why can't I? That day I decided one thing, I will learn English step by step. My first mistakes. In the beginning, I made big mistakes. I tried to learn very difficult English, but big words, hard grammar rules. I watched fast English video, but I understood nothing. I felt frustrated again. Then I understood the truth. English is a language, not a subject. Starting with simple English, I started with very simple English. Simple sentences like I am happy, I am learning English, I want to speak English. I spoke these sentences loudly. When e- Even when I was alone, at first my pronunciation was bad, my grammar was wrong, but I did not stop. Talking to myself. Yes, I talked to myself. I stood in front of the mirror and said, good morning, how are you? Today I am feeling confident. This helped me a lot. Slowly my fear reduced. Listening, the most important step, I understood one golden rule. Good speaking comes from good listening. So I started listening to English every day. Simple English stories, daily use conversations, slow English podcast. I did not try to understand every word. I just listened again and again, repeating again and again. Repetition changed everything. I listened to one sentences and repeat it 5 times. For example, I am improving my English day by day, again and again. Slowly, sentences started coming naturally, making mistakes without fear. Earlier, I was afraid of mistakes, but then I realized mistakes are part of learning. Even children make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. So I allowed myself to be wrong. And guess what? People did not laugh. Instead, they encouraged me. Talking in English. One small habit helped me a lot. I started talking in English when I wake up. I thought today is a beautiful day. When I was cooking, I am making food. These habits improved my fluency, my confidence today. Today I am still learning. I am not perfect, but now I can speak without fear. I can express my thoughts. I can help others learn English, and this makes me proud. Message for you. If you are watching this video and thinking I can't speak English, let me tell you one thing. You can speak English not in one day, not in one month, but if you practice daily, you will improve. My simple advice, start with easy English, listen more, speak daily, don't fear mistakes, be patient. English will come to you. Final words, English is not about perfections. English is about communications. So start today, start now. Thank you so much for listening. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.